Hi, I'm not dead, although you probably would think so from looking at me. But this is just my face. This is just how I look. I just happen to look like I died a week ago. But ignoring that, I am in fact not dead. I'm here, I'm talking. Look at my mouth move. I'm very much alive. But that is not the point of this video. I didn't come on here to tell you that I'm alive despite looking like I died a week ago. I came on here to share with you, I decided that I was going to make more clothes. Why did I decide I was going to make more clothes? Because I am a broke ass whore and I need more clothes. And I don't want to pay for them, but I want to copy other designers' work that already exists because it's already there, you know? Like, just let me have it. So I decided that I was going to sew some stuff. Again, guys, I'm not a great sewer. I've never taken any lessons from anyone about sewing at all, ever, but I'm gonna try it. Everything I do is self-taught, but you know what? Maybe this time around something great will happen and the clothes will come out fantastic. Who knows? Who knows? Let's just give it a go and see where we go. Anyway, basically what I'm saying is that I'm gonna make a skirt. Maybe you wanna watch as I make it. I don't know. Here it is. So this is the goal skirt I'm striving towards. Unachievable, perhaps, but I saw it and I wanted it. Dollskill describes this little current mood number as, "You ride on the wings of queens. Love me like a lullaby in this bodycon miniskirt with a sheer lace overlay, high raised waistline, a zipper closure in back, and satin ribbon lace-ups on the sides." Just call it what it is. It's a goddamn lace skirt that looks like it's worth $2. Let's get down off our high horse, Dollskill, and start describing our clothes back in reality, please. Thank you. And if you think I'm going a little bit too hard on this brand, no. Anyway, this is a lace-up skirt. I wanted to make it more comfortable, that it doesn't look like it's gonna ride up my ribs 6 ways from Sunday. So my version will be more of a hip hugger with a lower waistband panel, which unfortunately means smaller closure triangles, but what can you do? It's going to be next to impossible to pair this up with anything anyway. So essentially, I took a basic skirt pattern that I already had, I made a mock-up to see if it still fitted, and then I decided where to make the splits in the waistband. Then I went ahead and adjusted the pattern from where I had made the splits in the mock-up and finalized it.
I am embarrassed. Let me cry in peace. Wah 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 wah. Don't look at me. Don't upload this.
So I also thought I was being really economically fantastic by buying secondhand lace, but no, that's not what happened, because the only secondhand lace I could find was not the right color, and so I thought for some reason, hey, you know what? I've dyed things before. What could go wrong again? This happened. I flooded the laundry. I'm not even that surprised. It's almost like I just completely forgot about that part of my life when I almost destroyed the garage. And I just blocked it out of my memory and thought, hey, let's do that again because that was fun. And so I did it again because it was fun. But you know what? It wasn't even fun. I ret dyed again and it was the same method as last time. We have to cook it on the stovetop. It didn't work the first time, it didn't work the second time. I don't know why I thought it would work again. Rit dye, you lied to me. You lied to me, bro. How could you do this to me? My fabric didn't come out what it was supposed to come out like, so I thought, you know, screw this. I'm actually gonna use acrylic paint. Now, I've had acrylic paint stuck on my school uniforms when I was younger. Same old school cardigan for like 3 years, and it had the same piece of acrylic paint that just would not come out. So I knew acrylic paint stays in fabric. So I decided to use it to dye with. If I diluted it correctly enough, it was practically a dye. And so that's what I did. I just filled up a bucket of water, tipped some paint into it, stuck my fabric in. You know what? Bish bosh bash. Bob's your uncle, someone's your auntie. My fabric got dyed. Sort of. It was still kind of like a weird color. Everything kind of came out different colors, so the zip wasn't the same color as the base, and the base wasn't the same color as the lace, but it was all close enough. And that was good enough for me. So I went with it. I cut out my fabric pieces. I don't know what the hell I was doing with the scissors, you know. YOLO. Is that even still a thing? Do people still say YOLO? I feel like they haven't said that in like 5 years. The fabric got cut out and then I just had to sort of assemble it all together, and this was when I got to use my overlocker. Now, you don't know me and I don't know you, but I could know you if you started a YouTube channel. Just FYI. I bought an overlocker, it was really expensive and I want to use it. Any excuse I have to use my overlocker, you better believe I'm gonna use the hell out of it. And so I used it for practically everything in this entire construction of this garment. Every seam, you better believe it was overlocked. Okay, so as you can see, we have made a bit of progress. I have done my triangles. They just need to have the grommets. Is that the word? Grommets? They just need grommets put in. I think that's what they're called. So I just need to put whatever the middle holes are to thread the ribbon through. I also just need to line the bottom of it, which should be pretty straightforward. And of course I need to do up the back and install a zip. All very straightforward. I am pretty sure something's gone wrong in the skirt and I just can't see it yet because this came together way too easily and way too quickly and it looks way too normal for the amount of effort that I put into it. So something's gone wrong, but I just can't figure it out yet. But I'm sure I will figure it out once I actually try to put it on. Wish me luck. Maybe. I don't know if I'll need it. We'll see. Feels so wrong. So yeah, the skirt came out kind of snaz testicle. I am wearing it right now. If that was a really confusing perspective, yes, my desk is actually a floor desk and I sit on the floor while I do all of my work. Anyway, skirt's really nice. In hindsight, if I had to make it again, I probably would have made the panels just a little bit higher, just so that it looks a little bit closer to the actual one I was trying to copy. I probably would have also added an interfacing to the waistband panels as well, just so that they had a little bit more structure. And I would probably look into using easier to use grommets maybe. Something's got to be easier than that because those grommets sucked to use. Anyway, that's all from now. I've run out of things to film or talk about. I don't know if this is even in focus because I just took my glasses off to film it. So I hope you guys have a lovely week. Hopefully you'll get more sewing vlogs from me in the future. I have no idea though. They take a long time to make, so we'll see. Okay, bye.
Mother, it is me, your child. I demand the attentions. This is too much attentions, I take it back.